This 2027 Axiom Vendetta V4250 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Axiom is 47 feet 2 inches in length and features sleeps 9, refrigerator, TV, water heater. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, bunk beds, front bedroom, loft, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, patio deck, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2027 Axiom Vendetta V4250 is 22,080 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.